up, everyone? How y'all doing? It's been a busy few weeks. 2 Fridays ago, we took the day off from work. We went out to Fort De Soto, but we had to move our spot. I'll put a link in the description or over here somewhere so you guys can watch that video. Jackson and I, we just got back from the Florida Keys where we did some lobstering from shore. We did a catch, cook, and clean video for that, or I guess, yeah. We did a catch, clean, and cook video. Yeah, we gotta have it in the right order. Where we went lobstering from the shore. You don't need a boat in order to get lobsters. We got these lobsters in about 5, 6, 7 feet deep of water. I'll show you how to do that. So watch out for that video. The same, I'll put it down in the description, or I'll put it over here to see that. But then we caught those lobsters, grilled those guys up the same day on the grill with my world famous honey Cajun butter. They came out delicious. So I think we caught, the first day we caught 4. So grilled those guys up, honey Cajun butter, lemon, those were perfect. Today we're out here checking the weather. Everything is looking good. It's a little bit cloudy. I mean, if you look here, it's cloudy. We got a boat going out there in the background. 2 Fridays ago when we were out, it was the same thing. It was cloudy, but then it turned in to be a nice day.
What's up, everyone? On this adventure? Just kidding. Okay. It's going to be a great day. We're excited. And we did want to just take a second to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed, liked videos, made comments on videos. We really do appreciate it. We are very close to being monetized. 3,000. You need 3,000 watch hours, and we have, what?
2,500?
So close, so close. Yeah, so watch those videos because we're out here trying to survive, guys. Like, just trying to get some beer money.
The thing we did have, we'll see, when we were leaving the ramp, Kim was starting the boat. It didn't start right away, so hopefully we had an issue before with our ignition switch kind of moving. So
it's like loose.
We'll have to get that looked at it. But when she started it, it did take, I mean, we have 2 batteries, so hopefully everything will be fine and we'll be able to start this thing up. If not, we've got sea tow. But
well, what I was wondering though, when I was floating away from the truck and it wasn't starting, is what am I gonna?
What are you gonna do? Yeah. I was thinking that for a second.
So maybe next time I'll have a line ready and I can tie off. Yeah, because I was floating away.
Have you guys had an issue like that where the boat didn't start when you were expecting it to start?
I mean, that's happened to us before, but we were tied up on the dock. So in this case, we drive the boat off the trailer. He'll give it like a little pop, and so the boat just kind of like pops off and starts drifting away.
Yeah, you were just kind of floating there for a second, and I wasn't.
Pulled out.
I pulled out, which no, I was just
terrible.
I can't take you serious here. All right, so I wasn't sure what to do right away. I figured you would have to figure that out.
Yeah.
But you weren't going too fast. I mean, the worst you'd probably just float it over into the mangroves, and then
you could swim out.
I'd have to swim out with the line. You know, we could.
I think next time I'll just have a line ready. Alright, so here we are setting our anchors. We got the bow anchor already out there, and Jason is putting the stern anchor out so that we can face the Gulf. We like to set some chairs up on the bow there and just watch all the marine traffic going by. So the stern anchor will allow us to keep our position set. And this behind us is a bird sanctuary, which is super cool. The busy beach is down that way. But we like it over here.
This guy's walking out to talk to me.
So you can't actually go on the beach here?
You're not in violation, right?
No, you're good. I'm just coming out to chat.
Oh, okay.
Just want to make sure you don't come ashore.
Oh, yeah.
We were wondering what you two were doing on shore.
I'm here for the park.
So this is a volunteer for the park rangers, and they just come and let people know they're not allowed to be here. This is a bird sanctuary. We have to stay outside that buoy there. I don't know if you can see it. I can't see it. There it is. You have to be outside that buoy. You cannot go ashore here. Yeah, so that's that. So he's just coming to make sure we know that we're not allowed to go ashore, which we know. And we're fine with that.
All right, so I was just talking to the park rangers there. They just want to make sure that we're not coming up on shore. And we told them we're very, we know that this is a bird sanctuary. You can't go up on shore here. They got their swim buoys, so we are not within those swim buoys. Plus, we're a little bit further out. Swim buoys are over there in the distance. And it looks like we got a Coast Guard helicopter flying by. It's off there in the distance. Wow, look at this water today. Look how blue it is. Oh, you said it was, what did you say the temperature was?
74.
74, okay, I was wrong. So water temperature 74 degrees. It's getting there. It was 77 in the Keys. This is the mimosa hat. Oops. Can you hold this for me? 74 degrees. This is good. This is good stuff. Here we go. 68 degrees now. This is. You gonna hop in today?
Probably. What was it last time we were out here?
It was like 68.
Was it?
We also have a little table that we use, but we just come out here after we get everything set up. After just relax, taking some of that.
Oh, you give a bad head. Look at that.
I'm not good at giving head.
Our channel is not short of the dirty puns, apparently.
What are you talking about? Oh, here's some good head. How's that? Like that?
Much better.
There we go.
Gotta find the right spot.
Find the right spot. Not too much. You just had too much pressure on there. Right. The orange juice in there. That good? More? Yeah.
Yeah, that's a little dribble.
Oh, go. Cheers. Go. So we got some good vids. We got a school of fish here. Kind of looks like mullet. So we may see some dolphins coming by. But this is why you need a boat. If you're moving to Florida, you need a boat. This is why you need a boat, because you can come to places and anchor where people can't get to. Also, when we were coming in, we went by Bunce's Pass, which is a really popular, busy spot for people to anchor. Sometimes we're a little bit more social. Egmont is the same way. So Egmont's off in the distance there. So it's really calm and flat today. We could have easily went to Egmont. Woo-hoo. What are you doing over there? I didn't test it, so make sure don't fall in.
Yeah.
So Egmont is another place you could go and anchor. Some places are a little bit busier, but ooh, that fish is jumping. So this place here is not going to be busy for us. We're going to relax and we're going to chill. There's some footage there.
Can you not?
Just getting a bird's eye view right here.
Babe, stop.
There we go. Thank you, babe. Appreciate it. All right, so we just been chilling here. Oh yeah, whole school of mullet over there. I saw some tarpon earlier. There's a whole school of mullet right there. You can see them. Visibility's good. But off in the distance there's North Beach. It looks like it's gotten busier. There's a bunch more people over there now. So that's North Beach. All right, I'm gonna show you all our beach. Nobody's here. go. Just giving you the 360 view here. Oh, see that fishing boat out there in the distance? That looks nice. All right, guys.
Yeah, are those outriggers? Or?
Yeah, the outriggers. Ooh, we're gonna slip and eat it here. That is.
Sailboat, jet skis.
Yeah.
All kinds of traffic.
All kinds of traffic out there. Yeah, got it. You want sub sauce? Yeah, yeah.
Sure.
All right, so we got Kim's world famous subs, turkey bacon. Let's see, there we go. Put the little sub sauce on there. We also do the boar's head sub sauce, which is pretty good too. To wrap up here, we're getting the beach chairs off the bow. We got this idea from another couple over at Egmont, so just make sure you don't drop your phone in the water like we did that one time.
I put it on.
Okay. So we're getting this all packed up. It's been a wonderful day. We saw a lot of marine life, a lot of fish, a lot of schools of fish, lots of birds, pelicans, all that. Lots of privacy, nice and calm. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, then go ahead, like the video. Yeah.
Thumbs up.
Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Consider subscribing to the channel. And what else?
See you next time out on the water.
All right, and we'll see you next time out on the water.